Glassolutions and Dudley aren't just here as a supplier. We view ourselves as a partner for our customers. So our relationship goes way beyond the traditional transactional nature of the industry. We really try and work with our customers to provide quality assurance, to provide potentially technical training, which enables them to be able to upsell and leverage parts of the market that perhaps weren't there before. I think we're also able to offer a unique environmental point of view with our circular economy. We're able to take glass back from end of use and recycle it into fresh glass over and over again through our cullet scheme, for example. The Dudley site operates 24 hours a day, and on a traditional week would expect to see an output of somewhere in the region of 15,500 square meters of single toughened glass. Approximately 10% of that as well would be heat soaked, and a good proportion of that would be oversized glass as well. Anything up to 2.8 by 4.2 square meters, and in glass thicknesses up to 12 millimeters.